Come on, slow down. Oh, we're not slowing down. Oh no, we're not slowing down at all. Oh, let me go check. Oh no. Oh. You're right, just right. We got called dispatch. That's right ahead. This is dispatch. How can I help you? Oh, we just lost our brakes. Hicks. Yeah. You're just going full speed up ahead. You're gonna crash or anything. You're going down Jackson Summit. Yeah, their train is going about 150 miles per hour. Quick, jump! Nuh-uh, I'm gonna stay here. I said jump! Okay, I will jump! But down the line, things were just getting worse. Why are things just getting worse? We can't jump out or anything. Hey, had you heard of the runaway train? Oh no! Don't hurry, I'll stop it. Skip it. Heck. Come on, slow the train down because we're on Jackson Summit. Come on, I said slow down. Guys! Back in the dispatching center. Guys, get out of the train right now! Oh, why? You're headed towards the city. You're gonna crash. Okay, we need to get out of here. Okay. I'm getting out of here. Jump! Let's get out of